Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to my channel Falcon Rider Gagan. As you all know from the caption itself that today we are going to make a video on the first service of my Hayabusa 2021. Remember guys, this is not a free service, it's a paid service. So we are heading to our Kundapur showroom in Hyderabad, that's Gem Suzuki, for the servicing of my bike. So let's get going. Okay guys, we are at the Gem Suzuki showroom and here we are with our bike for the first service of the Hayabusa 2021. Should be about 2-3 hours job. Hello. Who are you? What's your name?
Narsing.
Hi Narsing, how are you? This is Gagan. What are you going to do here?
Sir?
कितना टाइम लगेगा सर्विसिंग को?
3 hours time.
3 hours. तो क्या क्या करोगे आप सर्विसिंग में?
Oil change करोगे.
Oil change, oil filter.
C1 C2.
C1 C2. What is C1 C2?
Chain Lube.
Okay.
Air filter cleaning.
Sorry?
Air filter.
Air filter cleaning.
हाँ sir.
Not replacement. Okay. और?
Display checkers.
Okay, display. So it should take about 2-3 hours.
हाँ.
Okay. चलो, let's go. Okay guys, this place is very nice and neat and clean. Perfect weather for servicing. It's got a nice AC service area, so I guess it should be good. Okay, the ignition is on and Narsing is checking all parameters of the vehicle, whether they're functioning fine, the electronics, the brakes, the other specialized features. Okay guys, here we are at the washing area of the Hayabusa service. Bike has to be cleaned and washed properly first before the servicing starts. It should take about 10-15 minutes. Okay guys, the bike is washed, just needs a bit of dry cloth wiping. First servicing का wash है ये, beautiful foam wash by Narsing and staff. Guys, we are using Motul 300V 10W40 for the oil to be changed in the bike. So we have almost 4 liters going in of this product as prescribed and suggested by the Suzuki guys. Okay guys, so till now we have done the changing of the engine oil, which is Motul 300B as suggested by Suzuki. That's about 3.4 liters. And then we've done the C1, C2, the chain lubing and chain cleaning on the bike. We've also checked the front disc brakes on the bike. And the rear disc brakes also have been checked. The rest of the detailing is still to be done. We'll let you know what's in store. We've also changed the oil filter as suggested by Suzuki guys. Okay guys, they are trying to open the tank to check air filter cleaning, right? Yes, good, lovely. Narsing is a highly professional and trained guy from Suzuki Hayabusa. I think he had gone to Delhi for training. How many days training?
3 days.
So you learned everything. Very nice. The tank is coming off. Okay, beautiful stuff. The tank cover has come off. Okay, there you go. The tank has been removed partially. Somebody has to hold on to it. So here Ajay is holding the tank while Narsing is removing the screws to check the air filter. Okay, the air filter cover is out. Those are the intakes, air intake cylinders, inline fours. We're going to remove that cover as well. Too many screws to unscrew. Air filter is out. Looks okay. So he's going to clean that. Just clean, right?
Clean, sir.
So probably in the next service maybe we'll have to replace it. Okay. That's the cleaning happening. Okay guys, the service is done, most of it, but as Narsing suggests that we need to reset it for the next service. So he's resetting it from the setting mode. So he's going to be setting it to around how many kilometers, Narsing?
So 6,000 kilometers.
Okay, the next service is due after 6,000 kilometers. So as you know, it's today, the date is 16th of September 2021. which he's going to change it. Okay, the second paid service is around at 6,000 kilometers. Good. So he's going to set it at 6,000. Perfect. Okay guys, the servicing for my Hayabusa 2021 has been done, and we have done most of these, covered most of the parameters what is required and as suggested by Narsing. So let's talk to Narsing and take his views as to what is done on the bike. Okay, hi Narsing.
Hi sir.
So क्या क्या किया आपने बाइक में बता दो एक बार जल्दी से क्विकली.
Engine oil, oil filter, chain clean, chain lube, disc clean, front brake disc clean, air filter, पूरा चेक करेंगे. बैटरी चेक करेंगे.
And the next servicing कब कराना है?
Next every 6,000 kilometers.
Every 6,000 kilometers. That is also a paid service. And अभी उसमें क्या क्या चेंज करेंगे? मोस्टली जो अभी नहीं करा उसमें मोस्टली क्या क्या?
एयर फिल्टर चेंज होगा.
एयर फिल्टर पक्का चेंज होगा, बाकी सर्विसिंग जो है and air filter will be again will be chargeable. ठीक है. Okay, thank you so much for the lovely service. I really appreciate your effort. We'll catch up soon. Thank you. Oh, look who's here. Kalpana ma'am, the CEO, correct? Of Gem Suzuki. Say hello. Kalpana ma'am is here of Suzuki CEO. She is been very instrumental in delivering my vehicle on time. And यहाँ पर कुछ गणपति पूजा का लंच चल रहा है for the staff of Suzuki Gem Motors, which is a very good thing that they are doing. Some ladies also are here. So we'll taste the food here. They have been very kind enough to treat the customers well. Okay guys, we are back from our first service which was done at Kondapur workshop of Gem Suzuki for the Hayabusa 2021. It was a very good experience. The total cost involved was about 10,000 rupees for the first paid service, without any extra fittings or any polishing or anything of that sort, because those guys suggested that in case you want to do a wax polish or something, it would be approximately about 1,500 rupees, which I did not opt for as of now, because the bike is brand new, and I guess it's a bit early to get any type of polishing done. So I really appreciate you watching my video, and I would request you, please share, subscribe and like to my channel Falcon Rider Gagan, and let's take this to another level. And till we meet next time, take care, God bless, bye bye.